Greetings, class. This week we continue the journey of the SS religion envisioned by Heinrich Himmler. The first academic article from JSTOR is Fabian Link's and Mark Hornberg's article, He Who Owns the Treffels Owns the Reich, Nazi Medievalism and the Creation of Volksgemeinschaft in the Palatinate. This article examines the interplay between Nazi cultural politics and regional identity in the Palatinate region of Germany during the early 1930s to stimulate the regional construction industry. This program involves the conservation of medieval castles and ruins in Bavaria and the Palatinate. Because its melding of cultural politics and regional identity stabilized the Nazi regime in the Palatinate, it is a case study in creating the Volksgemeinschaft, translated to national community. Link and Hornberg mentioned that Himmler's favorite project was the Castle Ludwigsburg, which was to be the center of the SS religion. Also, that Nazi ideologues had used medieval figures such as Henry I, also known as Henry the Lion, and the Knights of the Teutonic Order to justify conquering territories in Eastern Europe. Link and Hornberg include primary sources from Himmler's writings and letters, as well as numerous academic sources. The second article I looked at from JSTOR was Matthew Vollmer's article, Keeper of the Flame. In this article, Vollmer reflects on a visit to a friend of his father's, who his father refers to as the Nazi. The Nazi was not a real Nazi. He had not served under Hitler. He had not yet been born in World War II. However, he had written a book about Ludwigsburg Castle in southern Germany. The Nazi had a room set up like a Nazi shrine and included glass shelves of Hitler Youth daggers, an SS officer's ring with the Totenkopf, a hand-carved wooden plate depicting the Ludwigsburg Castle, a chair from Ludwigsburg's Great Hall, and a set of silver which was supposedly from Hitler's eagle's nest. So Vollmer admitted these things were beautiful and held a sense of power. And his article from the New England Journal doesn't cite any sources, but it provides an insight into issues we still see today with neo-Nazis around the reverence they have for Nazi Germany. The final article I took a look at from JSTOR is Jim Allen's The Politics of the Past, and it had a focus on archaeology. And by Allen's definition, I'll quote it, archaeology is a knowledge of old things, and it is these things, these material objects from the past, which hold the ultimate fascination for the subject. These tangible links with the past at once invite curiosity, engender mystery and romance, and demand explanation, whether or not they also have aesthetic appeal. So Allen points out in his article that the Third Reich ideology was imbued with symbolism. Such things as the swastika and the lightning flashes of the SS and other insignia were derived from early Germanic ruins. Allen also points out that Himmler was obsessed with these things and in 1937 established a unit called Ancestral Heritage, which the purpose of which was to excavate old Germanic relics. Himmler also was impressed with the histories of King Arthur and spent huge sums of money fitting out his own Camelot at Ludwigsburg Castle, according to Allen. Allen references a number of archaeologists and also Heinz Horne, who was a German journalist and historian who specialized in Nazi and intelligence history. Hope everyone's having a wonderful week, and I'll be looking forward to your videos. Thank you.